You're bidding on a Sioux valve grinder. Looks like it's in pretty nice shape. I don't know a whole lot about it, but it's got attachments here, whatever these are. Nice crisp paint. I'm going to turn them on. This oiler works. That's enough of that. This thing goes back and forth. Got a bunch of empty cans. It needs cleaning out. Nice quiet motor. 645L Sioux valve grinder. This would look pretty good sitting in your shop or your man cave. Looks like it's ready to go. Could you just turn, please? This is what it is. Good luck bidding.